What does everyone need when they forget their mitts? Heated grips. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a two-part voiceover episode for the Triumph Street Scrambler. It's going to be heated grips and a windscreen install. As you can see in the box below, I'm unboxing the grips and the electrical harness. You get your screws and your twist tie things for the harness all complete in one box, as the instructions as well. First, you're going to go and remove your seat off the bike, put it somewhere safe, and you're going to go ahead and disconnect the battery terminal. Just disconnect the negative terminal. That should be sufficient enough, and put it aside. Next, you're going to go ahead and remove the nut that goes through the fuel tank that's underneath the seat. Just go ahead and remove the two bolts and slide the bolt out afterwards. through the grip where the provided holes pre-drilled again on the handlebars there, just to secure that grip. After that, you're going to take your plastic pieces which hold the switch for the heated grips, and there's 2 screws, and you can just tighten those up. So on the throttle side, we're going to complete the process, same process as the other side with the wiring. However, you're going to put the throttle switch mechanism in first, and you're going to pull the grip all the way through. Again, this took me a little fiddling around to match up those little slots, so to make it go in as it should. It took me a couple tries. You'll see in the next clip I actually put it together. It wouldn't even turn. I had to take it back apart, reposition it, and it finally clicked into place where it should. It should just be like it, obviously how it was, just back to neutral each time. Not like this, that's for sure. And it should be free, so be sure to double check this 2-3 times if need be. It should just go right back to neutral each time. It should never get caught or stay, or, you know, no, do not want a wide open throttle. Okay, head down to the side of the bike, you'll see a harness, just 1 bolt, take that off. The bottom plug is the plug we need for the heated grips. So we're just going to feed the harness kind of back through where the frame is and put it at the side, and we're just going to clip that in, plug it into the harness. And after this, we're just going to tidy up all the bolts we took off, make sure everything's nip and tucked back the way it was, and we're going to start the bike. So this Triumph, I think most new Triumphs in general have a smart ECU. So Triumph said it shouldn't throw an error code for me, but there is a chance of. So be sure, you know, plug in your battery, start it up, make sure everything's connected, plugged in, and just double check and make sure they work. Mine didn't throw an error code, thankfully. There's an off, a low, and a high setting, and they started to work right away, so it was perfect. Next, we're going to install the windscreen on the front. I did go with a 10-inch windscreen, clear. Here's all the nuts and bolts and fasteners it comes with. You really don't notice it, and it's a very easy install. These are the brackets that came with it. I actually put these on earlier, and then I thought I needed to take everything off again for the heated grips, so I felt we could make 2 videos in one. The bolts on the brackets for the headlights, for those brackets for your windscreen, do come with Loctite already on them, so they went in perfectly fine. As you can see, these rubber grommets, they just go in and sit flush inside the brackets that you already put on. And we're going to take the other bolts, hardware, and just feed them through the windscreen, and they go into the rubber grommets behind them. The rubber grommets do expand, so it's nice because you don't need to really tighten them up too much, and because they're rubber, they don't really have too much vibration in them anyways. You'll see here in a second, put the camera, see they're expanded, perfectly fine. That's about it for today, folks. Thanks for joining me. I hope you liked the video. A little different with the voiceover. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, cheers.